In this video we are going to locate the OBD connector and the fuses. This is done on a Land Rover 57 plate and it is a Discovery. There it is, it's just tucked underneath the onboard diagnostic connector. We'll have to go to the passenger side. And just locate the bonnet release. The Land Rover have added all these panels to protect the engine and electricals. So we'll just lift up a few more, see if we can find the fuses. Okay, that was a good guess. So right here we've got the fuse symbol. So I'll just open that up. So as you can see, we've got relays and fuses. And thus on the other side you got the diagram. So if you just line up the diagram, you should be able to locate the right fuse and relays.